Hello, I'll be teaching on how to play major pentatonic scale. Pentatonic scale is a musical scale with 5 notes per octave. It has 5 positions on guitar. As a guitarist, you should be able to solo with pentatonic scale. I'll be teaching on how to play every position one after the other. Today, I'll be teaching on how to play on the first position. So watch out for the second, third, fourth, and fifth position. Major pentatonic scale is derived when you play major scale without fa and ti notes. I think this is the easiest way to identify major pentatonic scale. Playing major scale, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, without fa and ti note, it becomes major pentatonic scale. On this lesson, I'll be using key G major as a case study. Here is the root. Okay. Now, when you are playing on this second fret, make use of your first finger. On the third fret, make use of your second finger. On the fourth fret, make use of your third finger. On the fifth fret, make use of your fourth finger. Okay. On this sixth string here, the first note here, which is the root, the do here, you have to do this with your second finger. Then the re here, fourth finger. So on this sixth string, we have these 2 notes, the do here and the re here. You can do this several times. Please, up down picking, or down up. Okay. Two, 4, 2, 4. Okay, let's go to the next string, which is the fifth string, and play 1, 4. Again, 1, 4, mi, so, 1, 4, mi, so, 1, 4, mi, so. Okay, let's go to the next string, which is the fourth string, and play la, do, la, do. Again, up down picking. Okay, do this now. Do, re, mi, sol, la, do. So we just covered the first octave. Let's proceed to the second octave. Okay, now go to the next string, which is the third or G string, and play 1. This is re, then mi. So you are playing 1, 3, 1, 3, re, mi, re, mi, re, mi. Okay, let's go to the next string, which is the second string, and play so and la, so, la. Do this several times. Okay, let's go to the first string now, which is the next. Okay, sol, la, do. Okay, let's start it from the root once again. Re, mi, so, la, do, re, mi, so, la, do. Okay, let's descend it this time around. On the fourth string, still the same first string. Your second finger on the third fret. Then let's go to the next string now, which is the second string. So make use of your fourth finger. Again, this is do, la. Do, la, do, la, do, la, do, la. Again, 2. Then you now go to the second string, make use of your fourth finger. The same second string, second finger. So, again, do, la, so. Again, very good. Now let's go to the third string and pick mi. Again, okay, do, la, so, mi. This is your third finger. On the same third string, make use of your fourth finger. Re. Again, mi, re. Once again, la. Sorry. Once again. Yeah. Okay. Once again. Do, la, so, mi, re. Okay, let's go to the next string now, which is the fourth string. And make use of the fourth finger. Do. And this fourth finger and first finger. Again. Do, la. Again, do, la. Okay, let's proceed to the fifth string. Okay, I make use of the fourth finger. So, then first finger. Again. Okay, sixth string now. Re, do, re, do. Okay. Do, re, so, la, do, re, mi, so, la, do, la, so, mi, re, do, la, so, mi, re, do. Once again, do, re, mi, so, la, do, re, mi, so, la, do, la, sorry, la, so, Okay, here's your assignment. You have to do this. You have to play this first position on every key. Like this is key G, right? G sharp. You now proceed to the next key, A sharp. So and so do this on every key that is on this sixth string. For example, then the next key, which is G sharp, and do the same thing. Proceed to the next key. The next key. The next key. The next key. Okay. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.